Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're about to walk into one of the most beautiful apartments I've seen in Houston. It really is nice. It's understated, it's beautiful. It's at the Oliver Sawyer Yards. It's on the 5th floor. This is 544. We're gonna walk into this beautiful one-bedroom apartment. By the way, here's the hallways, super crisp and clear, so quiet. So let's walk in right now. You're gonna love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you walk in and it's just so well lighted. The light is everywhere. So smart of them to do that. It's a beautiful apartment. It just feels inviting, open. It's got a utility room over here. This is amazing. It has a half bath too. Pretty stunning. Love this. This is made for entertaining. This is a beautiful floor plan. Wow. Okay, so much. There's those open shelves that are there. Just simply beautiful. And then look at this kitchen. The kitchen's just a stunner. It really is. This is the A3 floor plan, by the way. This space, man, this looks like about 850 to 900 square feet easily. It's just really, really nice. This would be a great choice for entertaining. Look at this island. The island's just stunning too. You can have these 3, I think even 4 chairs in here, no problem. Just this beautiful kitchen is really standing out. Just a stunning kitchen with gas, by the way. Very, very nice to see that. And then look at this. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous living room area. It's so big, and you know they're actually understating it. This is a small sectional. You could make it even bigger, but the point is you've got a lot of space in here. You could even put an additional table in here. You could kind of scoot this back more to the wall and have an additional table, and man, easily have about 10 people in here, no problem. It's just a gorgeous apartment. Hey, we're gonna do a part 2 on this. So hang loose, that's gonna play next. If you have questions anytime about anything you're seeing, send me a text and just use the number below. And if you're ready to do a tour, I can set that up on your phone right now today, or we can set it up for in-person live whenever you're ready. My number is below, send me a text.